What's up, bros?
Well, what time it is? Let's see this bad boy. Oh shit!
Hi everyone, my name's Jason, welcome to Deranged Vehicles. We're new to YouTube, so it's our new vlog. If you please subscribe, click notifications bell, turn all notifications on and you'll see everything that we're putting up. There's loads of good content, you know, all different trucks, vans and everything that go out. And also follow me, Jason Deranged, if you're interested in any sorts of cars, because I'm posting up all sorts all the time. A month ago, DMO came to us and saw the van completely standard. It was the first time he saw it, we saw it. We got it from Ford. It's completely stock, limited van, rubbish 17-inch silver wheels, don't look very good. So yeah, we can show you what it looked like before and after, basically. So it's nice actually to see the complete transformation that we do with the vans. Breakfast.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
yo, you alright?
See?
Yo, how's it going, man? You alright? You good? I was telling him a story about the crazy French guy. I was just about to tell him.
Oh shit, let me hear from his word. Let me hear from his word. We'll call you back. Let me hear it, actually. Have we got one here that's done? Well, look at the difference. Yeah. So basically, this is what we're going to be looking at. What for the bruv? I'll tell you about that in a second. Bro, you can take off it's like if you look and see through the windows, just big arches. Kind of looks like a small GLE at the back. Yeah.
This is carbon.
Oh, okay.
Like that carbon.
Like the matte finish.
Yeah, that's sick. Yeah, we actually lost carbon. We painted all sets.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's just.
That sounds sick. Whoa!
Today the weather's not great, so we're probably going to do the reveal in the workshop, which is fine. We've got the reveal sheet, we'll get it in there, get it all looking nice, hopefully have a bit of a tidy up. Yeah. And yeah, you can come and see it in there, we'll do the reveal to him. There's actually a few little additions that Jay from the Cannon Run added, which we've left on. Not to our taste, of course, but I think it was a bit of a wind-up, so we've left a few on for him, so we'll see what his reaction is to that as well. If you know DMO, if you follow him, DMO Deejay, you'll see he's had a lot of trouble with vans recently, so hopefully we can cheer him up with this one. This is going to be his new daily, so it's got the full deranged kit on it. We've got R+ kit, front bumper, rear bumper, side skirts, 20-inch wheels, fully blacked out. So yeah, hopefully he's going to love it. At the moment, the boys are just giving it a clean, so it's all ready for him once it's cleaned, and he's going to be here in about an hour and a half. So yeah, we're going to have a look now. We'll see how they're getting on. So yeah, we're just having a bit of a tidy up, and then yeah, it's not the normal way we do it, but pissing down with rain outside. Showroom's full up with toys, race cars and all sorts, so yeah, we're going to make this our reveal area. So yeah, that's it really. We have a little tidy up, we're get the van in, get it all wiped off, get it nice and clean, put the reveal sheet on it, and then yeah, we can do it here. It's quite a nice little setting anyway. You can see all the other vans, like this one in the background in bits. The van's in at the minute actually. That one there you can see, which is like standard.
Yeah.
Just trial fitting the bits on it, so yeah, it'll be good.
Trying to clear out more trucks and put some bits away. What's good, bro? What's good?
You might have to cover it up.
Oh yeah, it's crazy raining.
Great weather.
No. Jeez.
Getting the wet paper. Definitely wet. These are the little additions from Joe. So I believe they're also these are nice. Like these. Quite nice. Oh, it's a steering wheel cover. We've got to put that back on. Do that now, actually. If you'd have seen it before what he'd done, we couldn't leave it like it. It was too bad. It's too bad. Not sure about this.
What's that?
He's put these on here, but they don't. I think that it's a bit of an issue getting them off.
Oh no. Yeah.
They're going to have to stay on now. Oh, one thing we've got to do is put his private plate on. We need to do that.
Alright.
Last minute, isn't it?
Always.
Mate? You still right for 11:30? I haven't seen anything. Just got to sit back. Yeah. Alright, mate. See you in a bit. They've got plates, so it's all good. We haven't got to make plates. Panicked then, I forgot about that. When Taylor hurries up, we'll get this out.
Yeah. Come on, Taylor.
Oh, no, one more thing.
And there she is.
Last minute.
Polish her up.
So what's the vote? Do you reckon leave these on or?
Oh, I didn't even notice what you did to the headlight. Did you see that?
Little sticker.
Yeah. Oh man. If anyone wants to see what happened to this van and what this is all about, we'll put the link in the description to go to the Canon One YouTube channel to watch their vlog. It's hilarious. He's taking it off. Boo.
Can't do it to him. Can't do it.
He's had too much ag over the last month.
Yeah. We'll leave the stuff inside.
Alright.
So I'm going to send Jay the cleaning bill. Okay.
Oh, he really went to town, didn't he?
Alright, cool. So yeah, we're nearly done. So 10 minutes and we should be here, probably be late, but we'll see. But yeah, we're nearly done. We're just going to put the bill cover on and that's it really. So yeah, have a little look around the van now quickly, but we'll do some more once when we do the reveal. And yeah, that's good.
What's up, bros?
Know what time it is? You van, Dave. Oh, shit. Oh, we have no noise for a minute. Hello. Hey, baby first. Let's see this bad boy. Weather is absolutely showing us right now.
Yeah, so that's why we done it in here.
Yeah, I was thinking that. I was like, yeah, outside.
Ready? Shit! Who wants to do the reveal?
Yeah.
What is he going to do? We haven't got the air shower.
Air shroud's big, yeah, thinking that. Just the air shroud. Where are you right now? I need mine.
I'll pay for one.
Where is it?
Ready?
Let's go. Let's see this bad boy. Oh shit! Here we go.
Looking fine.
Oh my god.
It was worse.
Oh my god. This is lit. This is lit. This is lit. Here we go. Oh my god.
I had to let the kids in.
DJ Cannon is a donkey, you know. Look what he's done to man. He's a donkey. You know what he's done that with? I went with the pink wood. I know I'm lit. Oh shit. You know, in the van so fresh you can lie in it.
Nice and sliding there.
I'll be gymming in the van. Whoa! This is lit. This is lit.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, nice man.
Yeah. You like your key, mate?
This is lit. Yeah, hey, Jay. You think you're funny? I'll give it to you, you are funny. This is lit. Where is he? And now he done me. He done me. He actually done me. Why did you go in the leopard print though? Yo! Hey, this is, you're gonna see me on road. Let me just tell you now, you're gonna see me on road in this more than the E63. This is lit. This is lit. Oh shit, touchscreen. Oh, this is how we're moving. You know what happens? Try and add the device. I stay tuned, big up the range. Let's go for the cinematics. There we go, check the right. Tell him again.
Next class is actually finished now, so we've got a few left, and that's it. Range is the main thing, the bar up, some transit custard, 8 push them. So yeah, we've got loads of stuff going on. We've got pilots coming soon as well.
Ford pickup on. Ranger, that's the one I was thinking about. Raptor, that's the. Oh, yeah, the one. Yeah. Go and follow Jason, this is Jason Deranged, absolute G. And make sure you go and follow Deranged right now. Let's get to 70k followers on Instagram. We are leading there at 66,000. I think that's a check. More than 1,000 up. I'm going to drive home. Drive just places I don't even need to go to just to drive the van. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
So guys, that's it. DMO's got the van. We've revealed it. He's over the moon with it. Happy with it. So yeah, brilliant. I'm happy. He's happy. Remember to subscribe, like, follow me, follow Team Deranged on Instagram, follow Jason Deranged on Instagram, follow DMO, and yeah, that's it. And it's all good.
Take it easy, man.
Let's go, boys!